to
We're back! Let's go!
Grabing switch yun. Welcome back to That Sounds Holy.
We're
Look,
back.
guys, we look so good and put together like we know what we're doing. So,
The keyword is
Welcome
we
back.
look.
we look.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kaya tayo nawala kasi nag-ipon kami, guys. Para gumanda naman yung set namin.
Para talaga sa inyo to.
No, but really, we should thank the actual people who helped us.
Oh,
and not
yeah,
take
for
credit
sure.
for ourselves.
No, I think we should take
Are we allowed to? We are, diba?
Thank you,
SVR
SVR
TV.
TV.
Let's go.
Look, it's so artistically pleasing to the eyes.
That looks holy na rin. Panis.
That looks
context.
parang pinaghandaan.
Nag-send sila ng pegs na parang, wait, sa top, ganyan. Pinakita ko sa kanilang dalawa. Tapos yung unang sabi nila, ang linis masyado.
Parang
Hindi
pwede mas
nagmamatch
dugyot
sa
pa.
atin. Oh, parang ang gulo-gulo natin pag nag-episode tayo.
Oh.
But anyway, it's really beautiful. So thank you.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're back. We're supposed to do like a whole bit na parang, wow, we're back and we're under a new team. And then we're really, really gonna try to be more consistent this time. But thank you for waiting and thank you for being patient. And hindi talaga kayo nawalan ng effort na mag-message sa mga Instagram namin. Oh, so kailan na? Kailan na po? So,
Yeah.
ito na guys. Thank you for being patient. And yeah, we're VOC.
We're back.
Yes.
And because we're back, and because it's been
Wait,
almost a
when was the
year.
last? Ayun, the last
Yeah,
time.
May 2024.
Yeah, so almost more than a year.
Yeah.
So syempre ang daming nangyari.
Tama.
Yeah, and ayun.
Yun lang. Thank you, guys. No, seriously.
So this first episode now is dedicated to life updates. Yay! Wala akong mano. Wala akong bell. So
Mano-mano na lang. Oh my gosh. Akala ko after a year, hindi ko na kailangan manuway ng mga...
actually,
pa rin
Isa
pala.
is the only adult here. So
That's actually part of our updates because we are now certified adults.
Kayong dalawa.
Malapit ka na rin, wag ka magpanggap.
Oh my gosh! So, ako ba mauna?
Yes.
Actually, ikaw.
Di ba ikaw yung
Go.
nag-lead ng
Kasi
episode?
ikaw-
Go,
ako
go, go.
mauna kasi ako dapat yung nag-lead ng episode na to. So guys, meron akong update.
Oh my gosh, ma'am.
Wait, mawawala ako sa...
Sa mga nakikinig, meron siyang sinusuot, guys.
Manood na rin kasi kayo.
Oo nga eh. So, ito yon. Meron akong sash. Sush.
Sush.
Ano nakasulat?
30 and fabulous.
Yay!
All that to say that I just turned 30 and also Isa turned 30.
This year.
Yeah. So,
Yuck.
we're
Malapit ka na rin.
30-year-olds.
You
Parang
look
ano
older than
naman to?
us.
Ugh.
Yeah. So, mas matangkad lang si Ayo, pero kami talaga yung mas matanda.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
True.
That's my update. Wait, tanggalin ko lang kasi parang... for ano lang yan, for the vibes. Okay.
For the
So,
vibes.
my update is I turned 30 a month ago. Okay na naman.
How does it feel to be 30?
Actually, parang wala namang difference. Pero, I think, kung pipilitin ko na may difference.
Ano ba?
yung difference is, wala, parang mas, alam mo yung hindi ka na bata. And nagsisink
Like,
in na siya.
What do you mean?
You're acknowledging na hindi
Yeah,
ka na bata.
no, parang, kasi nung 20s tayo, parang parang inisip ko, parang, cute-cute pa naman ako, ganyan. Kasi lalong mukha akong bata. So ako parang,
Okay.
okay pa ako,
Right.
pwede pa ako mag-petics, ganyan. Petics! So for the Gen Z, petics
Tagal ko nang
means-
dinarinig yung salitang
Actually,
petics.
oo.
Kailan kayo huli nakarinig ng word na petics? When was the last time you heard
I don't
petics?
know. Anyway, you were saying.
Anyway, so, yung, akala, parang nung early 20s, or kahit na nga late 20s, parang inisip ko na, I always say na parang, sige, set up niyo ako sa date when I turn 30. Or like, I'm gonna do this specific, I'm gonna go full-time music when I turn 30. Like, it's something so far away. But now, parang nagsisink in na, oh my gosh, di na pala ako bagets. Pero also, I'm
Yung words
Petics,
mo today,
bagets.
it's showing
Very
na-
off-brand.
I think
No,
that's
it's-
the sign that we are 30. Na ganyan na yung mga words na ginagamit.
Nagsi-season 4 na rin
grabe
today, si Vanya.
naman. So, at least, di ba? Yun yung difference. Pati yung vocabulary ko.
Ah.
So, now I feel like it's really sinking in. Na parang, actually, if I want to really do something, lalo na I'm not in a relationship or I'm not married, I really should,
Yeah.
try to make an effort to do it. So, ayun, that's also where the whole 30th birthday concert came from. So,
Right.
kasi usually, for my, wait, di ako humihinga.
As the yapper,
Parang nagabol lang hininga.
as the yapper of this trio.
Masyado excited. Ang dami kong ikwento.
Hi everybody, my name is Ira Basaran. And ako po ay Tigabalokan. Parang labo.
Okay, go, breathe.
Go. Birthday concert.
One day at a time. Okay, one day at a time.
One day at a
Kailan ba tayo dito? Go.
So, so yung birthday concert, nanggaling siya sa ganon na parang, usually, every year, yung birthday gig namin ni Pao, my best friend, parang joint birthday gig kami. Kasi
Oo nga.
malapit lang yung birthdays namin. Tapos, last year ko pa iniisip yun na parang, what if I do like a solo concert, ganyan. Kahit maliit lang. Pero, parang nahihiya ako kay Pao. So, when I messaged her, I was like, Pao, is it okay if I do like a solo thing this year? Just so, it's something I want to do for myself.
Yeah.
Tapos parang sabi niya, actually meron na akong tour sa US. So, I'm not gonna be there too.
Sumakto.
So, sakto talaga na you do a solo thing. Tapos, ayun, medyo pressure pala pag ikaw lang, na wala kang guest artist. Although, Isa was there, and a few friends of mine. Pero yung parang walang Vanya featuring
Walang front act.
walang other artists to draw people in. So parang it was a very big anxiety. Para akong naging anxiety na with a person, ganon.
At
So,
least napagpahinga mo si Anger.
Hindi din.
Okay. Oo nga pala, pagdating ko
Pag
dun galit
masyado ako
ka eh.
naging anxious, nagagalit na ako.
Totoo, pagdating ko pa lang dun, mainit yung ulo mo.
Oo, guys. Oh, ay.
Wag na, wag na. Okay.
So just to give you a sneak peek of what happened sa concert, kasi yun nga, I was very nervous about it, na parang, are we gonna be able to sell all the tickets? Kasi nga, we were supposed to sell like 100 or something. And then, syempre fundraiser din siya, ganon. So ako parang, I really wanna sell all the tickets. Tapos, ano ako nun, for the girls, I was on Shark Week, so I was PMSing. So pagdating ko pa lang sa venue, call time, ganyan. Pagpasok ko pa lang sa venue, sabi ng director namin, sabi niya, hi, happy birthday. So ako parang, bakit ganito yung setup?
Panis.
And then, but it was a good thing also because my team, the shelter team, are also like my longtime friends. So kahit na hindi ako I don't use my words.
They
And I
understood.
wasn't being a mature adult. Nagets nila. So after pala nun, nag-meeting na sila, sabi nila, sinong kakausap kay Vanya? And then
Okay.
after that, they gentle parented me. But it was overall, it was a very, 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 very joyful and meaningful,
Dami nun,
very,
ah.
very, very,
Apat.
joyful and meaningful celebration. Kasi after nun, marami ding nagbunga na realizations talaga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it was really nice. I was there watching also the gig. Tapos sinabi ko nga kay Vanya after the gig na parang, grabe yung pag-embrace mo nung gift mo and pag-embrace mo nung ginawa mo sa concert na yun. It made a lot of difference sa amin na nanonood na parang, pwede ko rin pala siyang gawin. Like, pwede ko rin palang, I can also take a risk and do what I want to do even if it means failing or like looking funny or alam mo yun, kasi you were just out there and doing what you love doing and it was really inspiring. So minsan lang ako magbigay ng words of affirmation
I
sa'yo.
know.
So,
That's why when Isa messaged, I was like, wow, this is for real. She actually like, wow. Thank you guys.
Pero pinost ko pa rin yung picture mo na kamukha mo si
Oo
Anger.
nga eh. No, pero yun nga, yung sinasabi ni Isa, hindi siya perfect eh. Ang daming, as a perfectionist, as artists who are perfectionists, ang dami talagang flats, ang daming, bakit hindi ko sinoundcheck ng ganito, hindi ko tuloy nakanta ng maayos, or this little thing on the program na dapat may mics pala, or this, there's so many things in my head na parang, I should have done this, nang ganon. Pero when we were post-processing about it with the team, parang, yung shame, parang nawala, kasi parang, it was replaced with a realization, actually, this is not the final thing that I'm gonna do. This is actually step one.
Right.
So for a step one kind of effort, it's actually already very good.
Yeah.
So parang yun nga, maraming realization, and one of the realizations was, this is just the beginning.
Galing. That's what being 30 gives you. Or at least when you're gearing towards 30, because I'm also turning 30 this December. It's what you were mentioning a while ago when you were a lot younger. It's a lot more free also to make the mistakes. Ngayon kasi parang you notice everything eh. When you were a lot younger, diba parang you would notice more the wins. Like just enjoy lang. Tapos okay lang yung kamali. Ngayon parang mas napapansin mo na yung ano.
The risks and the mistakes are bigger. Like,
Yeah.
have a bigger
Mas mabigat
impact.
na
Oo.
yung
It holds more weight now.
Yeah.
And well, yun nga sabi mo, it'll either turn into something that will frustrate you more, or thankfully, naging realization siya that would lead towards a better perspective about who you are. You know?
Yeah. As someone who also turned 30 this year, parang relating it to that, to what you said, looking back, akala ko nung 20 ako, matanda na yung 30. Parang the other side of the
Totoo
spectrum.
yan.
Na,
Actually, matanda na talaga. Alam natin. Tumatanda na tayo.
Oo, may
But
back
at
pain
the
na
same
ganun.
time, you have this realization na marami pa naman akong pwedeng gawin. Parang ganun. Na hindi siya nakapako. Like, as in, when I was younger, I thought I'd be married by 27. And then when I turned 27, it was like, nope, not ready for that yet. Like, ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan. And now that we're 30, there's also that feeling na, shucks, ang tanda ko na. But at the same time, like,
Hindi pa.
it's fine. I have time. I have, not to say na hindi natin siseryosohin yung buhay. Because definitely, there's more pressure. There's more, like what you said, like, mas may weight na.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't want to put myself in the position na parang, ayoko na lang itry kasi ito na dapat yun.
Right.
Ano naman, taking everything too seriously.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so ako pala yung nagpa-facilitate nito. Sige. So kayong dalawa, sinong mauna sa inyo? Magbato-bato pick nga kayo.
I'm sorry. I think the life update would be the same. I think the major life update would be the same.
Go.
So, ayun, after 6 years of being together, we're finally getting married.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we're getting married in a few months.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember parang during that time last year when we were still trying our best to put up episodes, a lot would talk about, preparing ourselves for the future, ganyan. And in my head a lot of it was geared towards marriage, or at least proposing to Isa. And then at least now we're getting married. Yay.
Malapit na, pero parang hindi pa. Basta ang surreal pala, like, to prepare for the wedding. Because a lot of people, or at least a lot of people that I encounter, especially because yung TikTok FYP ko, puro kasal na yung, like, alam mo yan, parang lahat ng nakikita ko, suppliers to get, or like, what to do when preparing for your
Supportado ka
wedding.
ng algorithm mo.
Oo.
Ganun.
Kaya pag nag-send ka sa akin ng mga hindi ko naiintindihan, alam mo na. So pag nakakita ko ng ganon, na like videos or stuff na posts about suppliers or budget or whatever, parang nakaka-overwhelm siya in a way na, it's like organizing a really big party for the people that matter to you.
Yeah.
And it's, we were talking about it once nga, na, grabe, isang araw lang siguro natin makakasama tong mga taong to sa isang lugar.
Yeah.
Na friends niya, friends ko from college, friends. Alam mo yun, like it's a one-time thing. And we're really excited for that. But during this whole preparation, I think mas nangingibabaw yung preparing for marriage
Yeah.
instead of the
Rather
wedding.
than the wedding.
Before we go into like your wedding preps na talaga, how was the whole engagement thing when you announced that you were engaged? I'm like just like looking from the outside, but I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a big announcement. So many notifications. How many
Oh my gosh.
like messages, DMs did you get? Like how how was it?
As an introvert, I have to start with that. As an introvert, it was very intimidating. Kasi parang, naalala ko nung na-engage kami. So the day of the proposal, we were talking about like, okay, so when do we announce this? When do we tell people? So we planned on telling the people closest to us first. So we called you.
Yee, kasama siya doon. Yee.
Telegram mo, guys. Ako yung
Umiyak
first
siya.
one.
Umiyak siya.
Nung gumanon si Isa, ako parang, tapos naisip ko, ito pala yung sa mga video na.
Iyak siya eh. But yeah, we planned on calling up like the people that we know journeyed with us for the longest time. Tapos, after no, nag-usap kami na, sige, so announce tayo ng ganitong araw.
Yeah. Couple
Ang hirap
days.
palang magtago pag ganun.
Oh yeah, it was so
Kasi
hard.
parang, syempre we were both excited, we were both really happy, we wanted to tell people. So parang, sunong natin ngayon. Parang may
Yeah.
mga ganun kaming moments na, but
After
we really
a
wanted
few days.
we really wanted to honor na may hindi pa tayo nasasabihan eh. So sabihan muna natin siya. Parang ganun. But the day that we announced it, it was a spur of the moment thing. 'Di ba? Like pinilit nating makausap. Ang alam ko, the last people we were planning to tell were sila Kuya Pobs.
Yeah, and
As
Kim,
in,
I think.
Sila na lang yung hindi namin nasasabihan.
Kuya Bobs and Kim Zil, if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken. Yeah.
So that day, pinilit namin na kausapin talaga sila. And then, sige, announce na natin, bahala na.
Mm.
When we announced it, it was a collaborative post sa IG. Parang,
That's crazy.
I think the whole week we were getting notifs.
It was crazy.
Like, even
Yeah.
after, as in, may mga nag-up pa rin na,
Yeah.
na nagla-like or nagko-comment, nag-message, ganyan. So I think, mabot ata siya ng, alam ba yun, like 4?
Ako, like, without exaggerating, calls, messages,
Yeah, calls.
DMs,
Yeah.
and in general, umabot talaga siya ng thousands talaga. Kasi I've received a lot of calls in the next few days.
Yeah.
Calls, messages, email. Yung mga- I'm not kidding, mga from international feasts natin. Nakakatawa. Yeah.
But I think that's when we also parang appreciated community even
Oh,
more.
yeah.
Right.
Kasi ang daming tao na, not just the, parang, oh, I saw, congratulations. But there were people who were like, how can I help? What can I do?
Oh,
Mga
yeah.
ganun.
Yeah.
So,
Isang big realization dun is doing a life update. It really helps you. Kasi that was a big major life update what we did.
Yeah, of
Like a life
course.
update, we're engaged. Ganyan,
Yeah.
And it made me realize na, oh my gosh, if you tell people what's going on in your life, either if it's a good thing or a bad thing, you'd really receive so much love. And
yeah.
so much love that you thought you did not deserve or you couldn't imagine, and
You didn't know was there.
you didn't know was
Yeah.
there, or you didn't know was possible. It literally seconds or days or would span to weeks. So now it's so important to tell about what's happening in your life.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's, parang opening yourself up to ask for help.
Yeah.
Like, it matters na na-realize ko rin ng time na yun, hindi naman alam ng mga tao na kailangan ko ng tulong.
Mm.
So like, telling them na, by the way, this is where I'm at right now. That also gives them an opportunity to be like, okay, I have the means to help you out. So,
Yeah.
I'm gonna reach out.
It reminds me of this like one video that I saw on TikTok. Don't judge me.
Judged.
I just said TikTok.
Judge
So
them, guys.
there's
No.
there was this one video. Sabi niya parang, kasi diba that kind of life update is so vulnerable because it's so big and joyful, but it's also hindi mo talaga pagkakaila na parang it's really vulnerable too.
Yeah.
So parang this thing, parang the girl said na parang when you become like that vulnerable, you open yourself up to like being deeply rejected to your core, but
Ah,
also you open yourself up to being deeply loved to your core. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Definitely. Because when we did that announcement and we started telling people nga about where when we're getting married, people will really love you down to the details. They will show their love and concern and care down to every single detail. And it could mean like the best of things, like when they would ask a specific detail and we're not sure yet or we don't know what to do about it, they would really help. Like all the love came in from sponsorships to
Yeah.
be helping out or
Eh,
connecting to
lahat
their
talaga.
connections, ganyan. But also, on the flip side, may mga iba din talagang
Yeah.
eto, anong gagawin nyo? Or eto bang gagawin nyo? Ganyan. Or
Oo, di
bakit si
talaga
ganyan?
maiiwasan.
Sino yung
Of
ganyan? But
Of course.
as you mentioned when you do a live update, talagang,
Parang pipili ka na lang ng struggle
You get the
mo.
full spectrum.
oh yeah.
Kasi like, honestly, like, if to be candid, as in, wala na kami problemahin sa yung chord, yung Bible. May nagbigay na. Kumaga, dapat August pa namin iisipin yun eh. Diba? By that time pa namin siya iisipin eh. Pero nabigay na siya agad sa amin. But at the same time, we would get comments like, sure ba kayo na yan yung color nyo?
Yeah. Bakit dyan? Walang parking dyan.
Oo.
Sino yung ganto nyo? Sila? Bakit ito yung mas kilala? Kilala ko si ganyan. Mas okay tong si ganto.
But I think what's nice about it is that we already knew why we were choosing these specific details.
Yeah.
So when we get those comments, it's more like, opo, yun talaga eh. Yun yung gusto namin eh. Ito yung kami. Yeah. So it's also easier to, not naman to defend ourselves, but to be firm on what we've decided
To get
on
clear
as
na
a
parang,
couple.
this is really
Yeah.
what we want. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's such a beautiful thing, as you mentioned, yung community. You'd really know now who would really be there for you and who aren't.
Yeah.
Like it's just been a really crazy journey. Kasi it feels like yesterday and I was planning to get a ring. And then now we're literally weeks before the wedding.
Bumilis ba lahat? Like, when, pag propose ganyan, did it seem faster? Like
Oh, yeah.
everything?
Yes and no. Because at first, it was really fast. Parang, okay, sige game. Kailangan natin mag-set ng venue, ng coordinator, ng ganyan, blah, blah, blah. And then there was a space, parang, siguro a couple of months na, ba't parang wala tayong ginagawa? Ba't parang slow lahat, ganyan. And then now it's starting to pick up again na, oh my gosh, we have to.
Kasi finer details na.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
think both.
So that's your major life update.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aside from all the other things that we do, as
Yeah.
in we would always talk about this naman. We
Yeah,
all
yeah,
have our
yeah,
careers
yeah,
and
yeah,
our
yeah.
ministries. Pero yun yung big life updates naman.
Okay, so some of the donuts wanted to talk about vocation. And since you guys are, on your way to the sacrament of
Reconciliation.
matrimony.
Ah,
How about you? Like, how did you get to proposing? What was the sermon?
kasi early on,
Did
I
you
already...
talk to people? Did you?
Well, it starts with what you really want in life. I guess you would really know eh. Maalalaman at malalaman mo yun kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Are you for marriage or not? Are you for the single life or not? Do you want to enter a seminary? Do you want to... It'll come talaga kahit anong mangyari. Kasi I remember when I was a kid, it was a part of me wanted to become a priest. Yeah. Growing up, priests would really joke around sa akin, magpari ka, ganyan. Ito na yung next na pari na
Planting the
ganyan.
seeds.
Yeah, planting seeds, ganyan. But then, I just knew that, siguro when I was like around high school, doon ko na-realize na hindi talaga. Then, not because it's the wrong decision or a decision that I don't want to
You
take.
started to become very attracted to girls.
Oh, that's one, but two, also getting to know more about yourself, that
Yeah.
this isn't a
It
life
comes
where
with
I
it,
can
yeah.
serve better.
Yeah.
Something like that. Because I know that I can serve better with this direction. Not that this direction or this path is
Wrong.
not good
Or
or wrong or
lesser.
lesser. Exactly. It's just that this is who I am. This is what I'm called to
Yeah.
be, called to do. I want to be a dad. I want to be married. Yeah.
Yeah, but not to say that there was no discernment process even when he knew that he wanted to be a dad. Parang if I remember correctly, there was a moment na muntik na kami magkaalabuan kasi pareho kaming, so ano ba, for marriage ba? For
Yeah.
hindi ba? Ganon. So, there was
Mm.
an intentional season to think about it, to really sit down with it and what's holding you back from marriage, or bakit ka takot? Bakit ganito nangyayari? So may ganong nangyayari din sa amin
Mm.
na syempre I guess it's part of the culture or like the upbringing also, and
Mm.
seeing what we see around us. You know, marriage isn't easy. It's
Oh yeah. Yeah.
so knowing all of that, hindi mo mapipigilan na magkaroon ng fear
Mm.
na oh
Mm.
my gosh, what if I decide on the wrong thing
Tama.
or something like that. But I think what helps is that there are people who are testaments of like a good marriage,
Yeah.
and people who are testaments of being a good priest, or you know,
Yeah.
all of that. And
Yeah.
one thing na hindi ko makalimutan, yung sinabi ni Pads sa atin,
Mm.
I think that was also an episode about vocation.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah.
yeah.
I think it
May
was.
sinabi siya doon na whatever you decide on, God's there. Right? So parang kahit sabihin natin na nag-decide kami ni Aya na magpakasal, tapos mahirapan kami, nandun pa rin naman si Lord eh.
Mm.
Yeah. The
Or-
bus analogy yung sinabi.
Yeah.
niya.
Or kahit siya, gusto niya magpari dati, tapos hindi yun yung sinunod niya, andun si Lord. Kung yun yung sinunod niya, andun si Lord. So,
Hmm.
I think that was what gave me comfort also in the discernment.
Yung mga sinabi mo na yun, ipapadaan ni Lord yun sa ibang mga tao. So it's so important to talk to people also. Because I talk to
Yeah.
priests, but I also talk to married people.
Yeah.
So to
Part of discernment then.
to purify your intentions also, and to getting into a very big life decision
Yeah.
like
To get
marriage.
clear what your options really are, not just like
Yes.
what you think the options
Yeah,
are.
exactly.
are.
Kasi ang danger and laging nagiging parang stigma or dilemma ng mga tao is, hindi ako magka-jowa-jowa, siguro pang madre ako. Hindi ganun yun eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi ganun yun. Or you're just so attracted to this person and you really want to become a dad, or you want to become a mom. Talagang pang kasal ako, pang marriage ako. It's not automatic eh.
Yeah.
It's not automatic.
it's not.
So it's very important to really talk to people who know these
Yeah.
paths very well. So yeah.
What was your conversation with God like when you? I think when you guys were just still boyfriend girlfriend,
Mm-mm.
because you were, how long were you together?
Before
6
getting
years.
engaged, 6 years.
Yeah.
Known each other for
So
7.
Were there like clear, like parang moments, parang remarkable moments or conversations with God regarding your relationship, or parang discernment if this is really, if Ayo is really the, yung mga ganon?
Yeah, kasi when we started, we were how old? 20 something?
4,
4,
5?
24, mga ganon.
Yeah.
So,
24.
Ang dami pa namin hindi alam talaga. Like, kala mo adult ka na? No.
No.
So,
Hindi pa
ang dami
nag-develop
naming-
yung frontal lobe mo.
Oo, ang dami namin away talaga na parang ang lakas maka-K-drama, gano'n.
I remember.
Oo, yeah, I would talk to you about it. But I think one of the most remarkable questions that I got was when there was this time that we had to fight, and Ayo, during that time, he's grown a lot in this aspect, so don't judge him for this. But during that time, he had the tendency of shutting people out when he would go through something.
Feel a
So,
lot.
Oo, parang bahala
Siya,
kayo, ako lang.
oo.
Parang ganun. So there was this one time na it was probably the second, third, fourth time that it happened. Tapos inis na talaga ako. So nag-reach out ako to one of our friends, si Ate Joanne, na nag-rant ako nun. Kasi nung time na yun, hindi pa siya married eh. So we were talking, tapos sabi ko lang na, grabe, ano to, every time na lang mag-aaway kami, hindi ko alam kung kailan kami ulit mag-uusap, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. So I was ranting, blah, blah, blah. Sagot lang sa akin ni Ate Joanne, siya pa rin ba bukas?
Panis.
Yun
Siyempre
lang.
sasagot siya na oo.
Hindi, alam mo, hindi ka nakakatulong.
Hindi talaga. Ayan, yung mga ganyan. Part yun ng discernment. Yung pag na-witness mo yung ganyan. Pero nung tinanong sa akin ni Ate John, hindi ako nakasagot agad. Kasi syempre, parang, ang bata ko pa nun. I mean,
Oo
like,
naman,
hindi
oo.
pa siya
But
ganung level.
it's one of those questions that really makes you think.
Yeah.
Oh nga, no, this is what it's about.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
had to sit down with it talaga and
Shout out, Joanne.
nahanap ko pa nga yung journal ko na andun yung time na yun eh. Na meron talaga akong, Lord, pag eto yung nangyari, as in, naka-flow chart ako, ma'am. As in,
As our type A friend.
bilang type A, pag nakipag-break ako, ito yung mangyayari. Pag next day ako, ito yung posible, pero ito yung ganyan. As in, may ganun talaga
Oh
ako.
my gosh.
Tapos, I think God makes it clear naman na, alam mo yun, down the line, mo naman yung sagot mo. But yeah, that's me in my weird ways.
How about you? May remarkable conversation ka ba with God before you and Isa became engaged?
With God,
Yeah.
I ask God how I can serve Him better.
Oh, that's a good question to
Yeah.
ask.
Siyempre, we had that personal conversation first, and then napunta siya dun sa, will I be able to serve you better if I am with a partner or not? Or is having a partner who's also in service actually gonna make me serve you more or not? Ganyan. Pag naging tatay ba ako, will that hinder me from serving you? Ganyan. So it boils down to how I can be a better disciple of God.
Better
His
yeah,
disciple.
child of God.
Better child. And lumabas din naman doon na, and it's very clear that I can serve Him way better with the structure that I have now with Isa
as your
as my
helpmate.
my partner.
Yeah.
Na she also serves ganyan. So walang disconnect at all. There is no, parang sa formula na yon, wala akong makitang kahit anong detail doon that would say na, hindi ko mas-serve si Lord. Hindi ko siya
Yeah.
mapaglilingkuran ng mas maayos kapag siya yung naging partner ko.
Yeah. And it also comes with the years that you've known each other.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
became so clear because you really took also the time to get to know each other and
Oh,
work
yeah.
with each other in ministry
Yeah.
and other things.
So, yun kasi parang one big factor was I was led closer to the Lord through Isa.
Because of
Yeah, she would really push me to have daily devotionals before, ganyan, really pray.
yeah.
We write worship songs together. We would
Yeah.
serve to different places, be sent out to numerous places in the world just to serve Him. And that's like a clear indicator, I get to serve the Lord more.
Yeah.
And I get to be a better, well, not necessarily better, but I get to be a more out there na child of God
Yeah.
by being with Isa. So that really helped a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um
How about you?
How's
okay.
your discernment?
How's your
So
discernment?
I think I can bring up something that an experience or a process that I went through when I was discerning for religious life, because I think this was in 2020 when my friend who's now consecrated nun,
Yeah.
pumasok siya sa convent because she also shared to me her process kung paano yung naging discernment niya for that. And after I saw her kasi, I visited her in the convent a few times kasi yun yung time na COVID. So, mas malaya yung feeling dun sa convent kaysa dito sa Manila kasi syempre doon hindi nagmamask and separated
Open
talaga.
air,
Open air and isolated talaga with the people from the people.
Yeah.
So, mas malaya yung feeling. Tapos may adoration on every day, may misa pa doon. So, I also saw her and she looked so happy. Like, there was not really even just happy. She was so deep in joy. So, ako parang, if that worked for her,
Yeah.
I guess it can work for me too. So I tried to discern, and I was already praying. I was like, God, if I'm called to be a nun or to be a religious sister, ganyan, sabihin mo na lang. So I stayed there, I think for 2 weeks. Yun lang yung prayer ko every day. Tell me if I'm for the religious life. Kasi papasok naman ako eh. Basta sabihin mo lang, klaruhin mo lang. Kasi yun yung time na yun, wala akong jowa. Tapos, yun yung sabi kasi nila sa discernment na parang you look at your reality first. Kunyari, in my case, if wala namang naniligaw sa akin, or malabo yung situationship na to, parang if it's not God-honoring, then then wala talaga.
That's an
You're-
indicator at once.
It's an
Yeah.
indicator that maybe I should look into another vocation. The next vocation that I saw was yun, religious life talaga. Kasi that was the open door for me.
Right.
So, I discerned. And I was like, oh God, just sabihin mo na kasi sa akin. Diktahan mo na lang ako para alam ko na kung saan pupunta.
Klaruin mo
Kasi
lang.
nung time na yun talaga, I was very unattached and I was so in love with the Lord. It was my second year of being a missionary. So I was just like really, I was like, God, if this is it, I will go. No questions asked. And then yung sinabi niya lang sa akin na parang, yun din yung sinabi ni Pads na parang, alam mo, parang feeling ko, sinabi ni Lord sa akin na, alam mo, Bam, kahit anong piliin mo naman, mahal pa rin kita eh. And
Yeah.
when I heard that, dun ko na-realize na I was really discerning because I wanted to make the right decision,
Yeah.
right in God's eyes.
Wow.
But the fact of the matter is, He loves me regardless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, parang from there, that's where I kind of, from there, doon parang nag-rise up yung desire ko na, oh,
Yeah.
yeah, God, I really want to have my own family too. Something like that.
Yeah.
So, and then, yun, parang after that, I started dating, which is a colorful journey, by the way.
Yep.
2020 naman yung Bam, so okay na yan.
Colorful ongoing
yeah,
journey.
colorful journey.
What a
Yeah.
journey.
But
it
also, like,
has
yun nga, parang I also discerned with sila, sorry, magne-name drop ako.
Oh.
Sila Flo, sila Ellie, nung nandun kami. And they ended up really discerning the married life also. And now, they're leading their own families very beautifully, like very Catholic families and so beautiful. And I was thinking na parang, if we skip that, like, time of discernment dun sa convent talaga, of really, like zooming in on what the Lord wants for us,
Yeah.
it wouldn't have the same result
Yeah.
moving forward.
That's true.
So
Galing.
I'd say it's really worth going into that discernment journey if you're you're discerning your vocation.
Yeah.
Okay. But anyway, so I guess
That is our life.
that is those are our life updates, but at the end of the day, I guess no matter what vocation you are looking into, or no matter what vocation you choose, or if you're in the discernment process, the one thing that we really can do is just have a personal relationship with the Lord.
Yeah.
Kasi doon naman manggagaling lahat eh.
Yeah.
The answers and
And being open to
yeah.
what God leads us to.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, yeah. That was nice. Kayo din guys you're seriously, kung may mga life updates din kayo gusto i-share,
Yeah, let
Yeah.
us know.
let us know.
Yeah,
We'd love to know how you guys are doing
Mhm.
and celebrating life with you too. Yun naman sabi natin
Yes.
episode 1 pala, us journey together. So if you got big life updates or kahit small life updates, may bago kayong plato.
Pusa.
Ano, mga ganun, bagong pusa. Bagong aparador or
You can-
whatever.
You
Let us
can
know.
leave them in either on Spotify or on our social media platforms. That Sounds Holy on Facebook, Instagram,
Yeah.
and soon on YouTube.
Yay. So,
See you
we're
on the
back.
next episode. We're back.
We're back.
Bye.
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 See ya.
We are